right, so this Genesis has 2 igniters. I was under the impression it would piggyback off of one. So that's a new battery on that. And that goes right in there. Tightens up nicely. Let's see if it pops. Yep, that was it. And then the eye, which I thought was coming off the same igniter, its igniter is up in there. Up in here. Where is it? Yeah, it's up in there. Yeah, right there. So that's, again, I didn't assemble this, so I didn't know that. The knob light uses this double A, single AA. The knob light uses 3D batteries, and I don't carry it. I don't have those around, so I'm gonna need to go get to the store and get those. So that's battery replacement, and there's batteries in this handle light too.